It's sad, but it's 4 a.m. I'm packing up because I'm gonna try and be 2 hours early to the airport because it's it's huge, so I gotta manage everything. Jalen's asleep on the couch, Mickey's asleep in bed, and he's saying you to me. At least he's up. That's very nice of him. Anyways, gotta finish packing up. So I gotta do that and leave. Got like 30 minutes. He set up all these alarms for me. Thank you. In case if I screwed up. Oh my god. Thank you very much. Jalen found some dude. Oh my.
Where'd he go? Bro, it's got 12 million views.
He's recording the text. Oh, going to Ukraine. And he's live.
Look at the comments. Where'd the comments go? He's in the gulag, give him a sec. He got no scoped.
He got no scope.
Look, he's getting log in the GTA 5.
He needs some.
Oh shit. No, rest in peace.
Ooga booga.
360. Someone get his reboot card. What the fuck? World War 3 is gonna be fucked.
Yo, this is different. Bro, World War II, World War I didn't have this shit. Oh my. Alright, good night, Josh. I told Jalen to play moaning sounds if you don't wake up on time, so yeah, y'all know. Jalen, you better. Oh, you can't even record it because you gotta play it. Anyways, alright. See ya, bro. If I get jumped by the zombies on the street, you'll see it on Discord, bro, or on Snapchat, bro. You'll see me like, hey yo, start running. Your boy got some greasy hair because I didn't even shower because, you know, it's 4:30 a.m. Gotta catch my shit. We'll see how it goes from here. I think the hardest part's gonna be at the Toronto Pearson Airport, but oh man, I know how to get to the Express because I looked up the map on on the website. They have a small map to show what it's like inside, and I just remembered where I came from at the beginning. So taking the UP Express is gonna be easy, but yeah, just getting there is gonna be a bit rough because there's a lot of homeless people and stuff, and I gotta go under a tunnel, so it's kind of scary. I might have to call Jalen if something happens, but if it looks sketchy, but we'll see. All right, made it out of the Airbnb building. See how it goes. Very nice. Yeah, I gotta go in this tunnel. I think the right side has more where the people are sleeping, so I don't want to really bother them or get jumped. So I'm gonna try to go on the right side or the left side. And I missed my chance to cross, but it's okay. And that's where I came out from because I went under the rails. But we're gonna go this way to the main entrance and then take an immediate right to go to the Express. Also, for some reason, this entire trip until literally last night or yesterday, I had the orientation of north, south, east, and west wrong. For some reason, I thought north was towards the waters when it's actually south. So I looked at the map, I had to go do a 180 on it. Finally, when it makes sense to me, I have to, I'm leaving. But it's okay. Yeah, see, this has a lot less homeless people on this side. It's on the other side where people sleep because there's walls and stuff. Now that I've made it past the tunnel, go to the main entrance over there. The sign says UP. It's calling my name. Well, it's not my name, but UP Express is what I'm taking. Yep, I'm going directly. That's the main entrance over there. Going directly to the right is how. Oh wait, yeah, this is how I came out from. I think probably. We'll see. Yeah, that's over there is where we took the subway. Oh, alright. Let me check it out. Took a right, and it's definitely over here. There's two sides to get out from, the left and the right. I took the right side, which brings me here to the main entrance. But I had no idea whether I should take left or right, so I was lucky. Because this is, I headed towards the main part of Union, and I did that only because Scotiabank is like that way. So it was the right call. Yeah, here it is. I gotta buy my tickets now. But you go up this little uphill ramp, whatever, and then you take a left. And there you go. Alright, just purchased the ticket. The train. I keep on messing those two up. Should be leaving in 7 minutes, so time for me to board. I see it, it's right there. And it's right over here. Alright, let's go. Alright, easiest part done, because I've done this before. I mean, technically I did like the shuttle thing once I get there, but we'll see. See if I can figure it out. Yeah, it's pretty empty though. Yeah, pretty cool. Can't wait to get there and figure everything out. Once I'm at the boarding gate, I'll be happy and fine. Until then, I'll suffer. Goodbye. See you guys soon. It's been fun. Cry. We'll get some nice dubs on Valorant instead of, you know, having a blast every day. See ya. No, I'm leaving Jalen. No, he's charging his phone. Literally downtown. Didn't even go to the harbor that much. It's okay. We'll do that next time. Bro, 3 minutes went by and I'm already this far. Damn, that's crazy. Time to find shuttle 1. And it should be here, actually. Yeah, it's over there. To terminal 3. Right.
Hold on to the handle.
This is where it came from initially, to take the terminal. Time to go home. Now I gotta figure out where to check in. WestJet? Nope. Alright. Time to figure it out. So the place is huge though. It's crazy. I might have to go all the way on the other side. Hey, I gotta whisper because I'm like, they go with the ball. Oh my god. Bro, they stopped me because I didn't, like, all my liquids and stuff was in a single zipper, but I guess they need that, like, plastic bag thing, which they didn't need in Halifax, so, oh well. I mean, of course it's because of the bomb, but, like, yo, they gave that shit back. I gave them a good amount of money, you know? Gave them that side hustle real quick. Okay, I actually gotta find where I'm going. I'm B22, so let's get it. Hey, it's super empty though. That's nice. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is why you go 2 hours early. Although I literally board in 30 minutes, so yeah. It would have been cheese if they took the liquids, because, you know, I paid for that shit. But it's not the end of the world. I wouldn't have been mad. Just like, dang. Okay, that's fair, you know? The Tim smells so good, but I gotta save my money, so I'm not going in line. Yo, just boarded the plane. What time is it? It's 7:08. I'd say about 20-30 minutes ago. The sun started coming up. You can look, it's rising on the other side, but yeah, I'm on the left side of the plane, so I don't think I'm gonna record much because it should be similar to the same view as what I saw earlier, and I'm running out of storage, so like on the way, it should be the same view as on the way here, so.
For everyone's ongoing safety, you are required to wear a face mask throughout your entire travel journey. If you are fully vaccinated, refusal to wear a face mask could result in immediate denial of travel.
Yo, that's the plane. I just got off. Literally just got off.